Hey there, fellow woodworkers. Are you tired of struggling with vague, incomplete plans that leave you guessing? Do you wish you had access to a comprehensive collection of woodworking projects that are detailed enough for beginners yet satisfying for seasoned pros? Well, I've got some good news for you. In this video review, we'll be taking a closer look at Ted's Woodworking, a digital product that claims to be the ultimate solution for all your woodworking needs. Ted's Woodworking is a digital product that offers a collection of over 16,000 woodworking plans. These plans are not your run-of-the-mill, mass-market designs. They are one-of-a-kind, drafted by hundreds of students and the master woodworker himself, Ted McGrath. Each plan comes with detailed step-by-step instructions, drawings, and blueprints, making it easy for you to build stunning, professional projects with ease. 1. Detailed projects * each project comes with A to Z instructions, making building projects super fast, easy, and fun. 2. Hold you by the hand instructions * you'll complete projects in a fraction of the time with these clear instructions. 3. Exact cutting and materials list * no more wasting time and money on the wrong materials. Get precise amounts for each project. 4. Sharp and colorful schematics * eliminate guesswork with detailed schematics that make even the most challenging projects a breeze. 5. Intricate details * get a clear picture of how everything should look before you build, avoiding surprises. 6. Plans for all skill levels * whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, there's something for everyone. If you have a specific, unique project in mind, Ted's Woodworking also offers custom requests. Simply submit your request, and Ted will make sure it gets drafted in the next cycle. In addition to the 16,000 plans, Ted's Woodworking releases new plans every month, drafted from their workshop classes. You'll get lifetime access to a membership area where you can download these new plans monthly, with no recurring fees or expiry date. According to Willie Stark, chief editor of Woodworking in Valdosta, Ted's Woodworking is the best collection of project plans he's ever reviewed. The level of detail sets a new standard in the field. Ted's Woodworking offers a 60-day, love it or shove it, 100% satisfaction guarantee. If you're not completely satisfied with the product, simply email Ted, and he'll refund 100% of your money, no questions asked. So, is Ted's Woodworking the ultimate woodworking resource? With its comprehensive collection of plans, detailed instructions, and money-back guarantee, it certainly seems like a promising option for woodworkers of all skill levels. If you're tired of struggling with vague plans and want to take your woodworking skills to the next level, Ted's Woodworking might just be the solution you've been looking for.